Noel, look, down there is our star.
Yes, I've been looking at it. And do you still remember the times when I would tell you if you want to see stars, you have to come at Nakata?
Yes, Noel, look at it. It is so many times bigger and brighter than it was at Ermita Beach.
The air here is clean, free from dust, and free from snow.
So it is, Noel?
Are you making fun of me, Maria?
Have we far to go yet, Noel?
Ask brother, we have been neglecting him.
I am asking you, Baldo.